Digital skills have been identified as key requirements for employment in the 21st century. This, however, requires a systemic shift to focus on equipping the next generation with the needed digital skills for the future.
I realized that since the world is developing too fast, it would be of an advantage to me in the future if I'm to learn how to code.
The Institute of ICT Professionals, guided by its mission, is embarking on the quest to equip Ghanaians with some practical digital skills such as computer programming or coding.
I started the IIPGH program in August. During this program, I've learned a lot about web designing. I started off with the basics, which helped me a lot. I started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
I like coding because it helps me to create games and later on create websites.
The Institute for the past 2 years have trained over 1,000 students in various digital skills. Students at the end of every coding module are given the opportunity to share their respective projects. IIPGH and its partners believe that exposing people, especially children, to coding early could spark curiosity and unleash creative thinking as well as their problem-solving skill.
From scratch, I want to take it to bootstrap. So that's when it becomes harder. So I have to study it hard.
According to IIPGH, developing digital skills through coding paves the path for the future. It is therefore imperative to encourage students to acquire such skills.